Drink clove tea for 10 days, and see what miracles happen to your body. Clove tea, a fragrant and warming beverage made from dried clove buds, is more than just a comforting drink. Cloves, derived from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to their impressive range of health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, clove tea offers various health advantages that can improve your overall well-being. Let's explore some of the key health benefits of this aromatic tea. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Clove tea is loaded with antioxidants, including Eugenol, which helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants play a vital role in reducing inflammation and preventing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Drinking clove tea regularly can help boost your body's defense against oxidative stress and promote overall health. Number 2. Supports digestive health. Clove tea is known for its digestive benefits. It can help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. Cloves also have carminative properties, which help to soothe the stomach lining, alleviate nausea, and reduce discomfort caused by gastrointestinal issues. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief properties. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Clove tea is often used as a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, sore throat, and headaches. Sipping on warm clove tea can help ease muscle pain, joint discomfort, and other inflammatory symptoms. Number 4. Boosts immune system. Clove tea can help strengthen your immune system thanks to its antimicrobial and antiviral properties. The compounds in cloves, such as eugenol and vitamin C, can help your body fight off infections, colds, and flu. Regular consumption of clove tea can act as a natural defense against pathogens, keeping your immune system strong and healthy. Number 5. Improves oral health. Cloves have been traditionally used to promote oral health due to their antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Clove tea can help combat bad breath, reduce gum inflammation, and prevent oral infections. Swishing clove tea in your mouth can act as a natural mouthwash, keeping your gums and teeth healthy. Number 6. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Cloves may have beneficial effects on blood sugar control, making clove tea a helpful beverage for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The compounds in cloves can improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in better glucose regulation. Drinking clove tea may support healthy blood sugar levels when combined with a balanced diet. Number 7. Promotes heart health. Clove tea can contribute to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and improving blood circulation. The antioxidants in cloves help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Incorporating clove tea into your diet can support cardiovascular wellness and reduce the risk of heart-related complications. Number 8. Aids in respiratory health. Clove tea can be beneficial for respiratory health, especially during cold and flu seasons. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help soothe a sore throat, relieve coughs, and clear congestion. The warm steam from clove tea can also help open up the airways, providing relief from respiratory issues. Number 9. Enhances liver health. Clove tea contains compounds that support liver function and detoxification. Eugenol, in particular, helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. Regular consumption of clove tea may help promote liver health and improve the body's ability to eliminate harmful substances. Number 10. May improve skin health. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can also benefit the skin. Drinking clove tea or using it as a topical treatment can help reduce acne, soothe skin irritations, and promote a clearer complexion. The antioxidants in clove tea help combat skin damage caused by environmental factors. Number 11. Promoting stronger bones. Approximately 43 million older adults in the United States suffer from low bone mass, which can potentially lead to osteoporosis and a higher risk of fractures. It's not uncommon to hear about elderly individuals falling and breaking their hips or other bones. Cloves are a significant source of manganese, a crucial mineral for bone formation and overall bone health. A study conducted on animals over 12 weeks, using manganese supplements, demonstrated an increase in bone mineral density and growth. Number 12. Alleviating gastric ulcers. Studies indicate that compounds found in cloves may be beneficial in treating gastric ulcers, also referred to as peptic ulcers. These painful sores can form in the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus, often due to reduced stomach lining protection, stress, or stomach infections. If left untreated, ulcers can cause varying degrees of digestive discomfort and, over time, negatively impact overall digestive health. Furthermore, an additional animal study revealed that clove extract was as effective in treating stomach ulcers as conventional medicine. Well, that is all about the health benefits of clove tea. However, here are some frequently asked questions about clove tea. Let's check it out. Question 1. How do I make clove tea at home? To make clove tea, boil 1 cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can also add other ingredients like honey, cinnamon, or ginger to enhance the flavor. Question 2. Can clove tea help with weight loss? Clove tea may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and reducing inflammation. However, it should not be seen as a standalone solution. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Question 3. Is clove tea safe to drink every day? Drinking clove tea in moderation is generally safe for most people. However, excessive consumption may cause side effects like stomach irritation or allergic reactions. It's advisable to limit intake to 1 to 2 cups per day, unless otherwise recommended by a healthcare provider. Question 4. Can clove tea help with dental pain? Yes, clove tea has natural analgesic and antibacterial properties that may help soothe dental pain or discomfort. The active compound eugenol in cloves can act as a mild anesthetic and may temporarily relieve toothaches or gum pain. Question 5. Are there any side effects of drinking clove tea? While clove tea is generally safe, some people may experience side effects, such as heartburn, nausea, or allergic reactions. Individuals with bleeding disorders, or those taking blood-thinning medications, should avoid excessive consumption of clove tea due to its blood-thinning properties. Question 6. Can I drink clove tea during pregnancy? Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming clove tea, as the safety of clove tea during pregnancy is not fully established. While moderate use in cooking is generally considered safe, concentrated forms like tea should be consumed with caution. Question 7. Does clove tea interact with medications? Clove tea may interact with medications, particularly blood thinners, due to its potential to affect blood clotting. It's important to consult a healthcare professional if you are taking medications or have any underlying health conditions. Question 8. Can clove tea help with cold and flu symptoms? Clove tea's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate symptoms of colds and flu, such as sore throat, cough, and nasal congestion. Drinking warm clove tea may also provide soothing relief and help boost the immune system. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.